Hi, I'm Mark Sodja. I'm a repair tech at eReplacementParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cord on a circular saw. I'll get started by removing this housing that contains both the switch and the cord. It's held in place with a series of fasteners. Okay, with the housing removed, now we have access to the cord and the switch. Next, I need to remove the switch from the saw so we can remove the cord wires from the switch. Okay, now I can access the screws that secured the cord wires to the switch. I'll go ahead and remove those. Here I have the new cord. My old cord has the strain relief still on it, and this strain relief is cracked, so I'm going to replace it as well. Also, you'll notice the old cord has some eyelets on the end of the wires. The new cord doesn't come with that, so we'll need to replace those. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and cut the wire leads to the same length as the ones on the old cord. I'm actually going to cut them just a little bit longer so I have a little more room inside the handle to route the wires. Then I'll use my wire strippers to strip away the insulation. I want about 1/4 of an inch of wire exposed. Here I have some new eyelets I'll thread onto the wire. And I'll use a crimping tool to secure those. Now I'll slide the new strain relief onto the cord. And now we can wire the new cord up to the switch. Okay, now I'll put the switch back into the saw. And secure it with its screw. Now I need to route the wires through the handle. There's some little grooves in the handle that the wires will slide down into. This will keep them out of the way when we put the other half of the housing on so they don't get pinched. Then the strain relief fits into the housing. And then we want the wire to line up across this bracket on the housing. And that's going to secure the wire so it can't slide out of the saw if the cord were ever get pulled on. Again, I'll make sure all the wires are out of the way. Use a tool to tuck them out of the way here, like that. Now I'll reinstall the housing. I'll take my time to make sure everything lines up properly. There we go. And then tighten everything back up with the screws. And that's all it takes to replace the cord on a circular saw.